This is Benjamin Roberts going uphill. Ben's gonna die.
One day.
Yes, Ben's gonna die today. On a little bicycle made for a 2-year-old. Action!
Oh, he's off, he's standing up, nutcase. Nutter. Oh, he stood in completely the wrong place. You right, Ben? Oh. It's like Tim didn't move for ages, so I couldn't get out of the way. You're right, man. Anything we can do?
Go ahead.
No, I knew you were fucked when we saw you standing up.
Something broke. I mean, because of the fact you're going to die.
I'm still going to hit that bush this time. I tried to turn and the wheels just bounced off the ground. Oh, that one's never going to last, is it?
We're going to move a little bit this way, sort of pan, if you will, over to one side so that... And here he goes, he's on the off. He certainly has got more speed than... And as promised, I did get everything.
What happened there?
Wheels broke.
Which wheels?
Oh, my